Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Honda Odyssey Elite. That is running smooth, so I'll go ahead and take you for a tour. This vehicle has LED headlight surrounds, and your refresh rate on this camera makes them look like they flicker a little bit. They don't to the human eye. Got fog lights up front. The LEDs are actually very pretty. Got alloy wheels, sunroof, entertainment package. There's a tow package. This vehicle does seat 8. You can see it has that center insert. Obviously a power rear hatch, and both the rear sliding doors are power. You also have the shades that you can pull up. There they are. Back seat. These two are captain's chairs when the seat is in the middle isn't inserted. There's your entertainment package and sunroof. You have additional power supplies down there, and your HDMI insert is down there as well. Go ahead and give you a shot of this VIN right here. Okay. As we come down here, you're going to see that this vehicle only has 9,034 miles on it. You do have paddle shifters in this model. You also have a heated steering wheel. We need to turn this down a little bit so you can hear me better. And so, heated steering wheel, your lane keep assist, your push to talk and cruise control, stereo controls from your steering wheel. And then you also have a push button start. And this has a remote starter as well. That's cool. And well, at any rate, here's your key fob. Come down below, got your cup holders and your phone charger. And there's your there we go. There are your ports for your auxiliary, USB and such. And you have additional power supplies down in here. This is actually a 115 volt, which is very cool. And then you have your Blu-ray player, automatic start stop. This is your cooled and heated front seats. The screen's a little bit reflective, so I'm going to come up here and close our sunroof. And on the way down, I'll show you, it does have a glasses holder, which becomes a conversation mirror. And then you also have your door switches and map reading light. As you continue to come down here, you're going to see that you have navigation, powered by Garmin, big fan, your rear entertainment, and your phone, your cabin watch. It's also a very cool feature, so that you can keep a better eye even than your conversation mirror. And then for your sources, you have,
you're the one that...
there we go, you have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. And there's your trip computer, your messaging, and your AT&T hotspot, and some of your other fun apps as well. We'll come down here. You also have your snow and your econ settings. And if you want to see the backup camera, we put it in reverse. There's your backup camera. And that about wraps it up for this Honda on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title. There is an impact here up front that affected the front center and the front quarter panels of both the driver and passenger. The airbag's deployed, but there's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.